Hello, friends. Welcome to this session. The future of artificial intelligence is pharma supply chain management. As we know, artificial intelligence is catching up. It has got a lot of technology benefits. How we can use that technology into achieving operational and business excellence, mainly into pharma supply chain management, is my topic over here. So my agenda is introduction, key trends and developments, predictive analytics, real-time monitoring, supply chain visibility, optimize routing and logistics, collaborative supply chain, drug civilizations and authentication, and implementation consideration. So my focus presently is artificial intelligence again for the pharma industry where there are a lot of regulatory requirements are there and complexities are there. So how we can achieve that? So just to have an overview about artificial intelligence, why we want to use it is basically we want to enhance the efficiency about the complete supply chain. Artificial intelligence can help you in driving the automation to streamline the processes and reduction in manual errors. Presently, the entire manufacturing system or warehouse system or logistics systems or procurement system, they are on manual system, and even if they are competent, they are still onto analog based. They are into a silos based and all that. What really artificial intelligence can help is integrating seamless data flow and analyzing that data for a better decision making. So this will help in improving the visibility about your product, about your batch. So real-time tracking of the inventory and shipment is becoming more and more important because that can lead you to data-driven decision making and also you will have a better demand forecasting and everything and all that. And then that will get linked up to your operation. So your predictive maintenance, your everything into manufacturing execution systems can really help in optimizing all that. So that is what it is. So let's look at it each parameter into more details. Actually, what really we are thinking about the predictive analytics. So in the predictive analytics is crucial for forecasting the demand, basically. So presently you are what you are doing, maybe considering the past trend and then trying to do that extrapolations and all that. But artificial intelligence can do that data for more predictive analytics also. So you can have a more and more better accurate demand, which will help you in optimizing your inventory levels at a warehouse, at the finished product stocks and all that. And that anticipates the if there are any possibilities of supply chain disruption, it can really take into considerations all that so that your disruptions can be reduced. So that is what it is. It's an objective of that. And to support to that artificial intelligence, we can design and develop machine learning models. The models can again have onto the different considerations. One consideration could be an historical data. Second could be the market trend. When I say a market trend is what is the market trend for maybe last 3 months, maybe last 1 year, or maybe last 5 years or something like that. And if there are any other factors, external factors, maybe there could be another competitor products in there, or there could be atmospheric conditions are there, or there could be some new products are getting launched. So no, there could be various other such external factors are there, and you can design and develop new machine learning models to take care of that. Actually, so that will help you to lead an accurate predictions and forecasting and all that. During this particular time, you need to also monitor the real-time monitoring, what is really happening it at a shop floor level also or manufacturing level also. So along with your IoT sensors and all, which will go on capturing the continuous data. It could be not necessarily just a process parameter, but it could be also production parameters and quality parameters. So you know what is the uh, product or a batch or the visibility at which manufacturing stage, at which warehouse stage or something like that. So which will be ready for the dispatch, for the deliveries and all, you can predict on to that. So product quality during that transit is really has to be considered. And all. Now, temperature sensitive pharmaceuticals are there, no, during the deliveries and all. It's very critical for maybe biological or vaccines or something like that. That real-time monitoring is also essential during the transit from a warehouse to maybe distribution location or maybe reaching to the customers and all that. And then that needs to also support to the compliances about the regulatory requirement, which will take into consideration both the things and all. The artificial intelligence can also show you the supply chain visibility, by adopting the blockchain technologies. So blockchain can really help you to enhance the end-to-end visibility. And the new technology which is coming up of smart contracts can help you to automate your compliance and thing and your payments and linked up to your finance things also, and that will reduce the documentation delay, about the processing, the mm, uh, receipts or issues and all, and then those delays and errors can be reduced. So that is there. Then comes the next step is the optimizing the routing and logistics. Artificial intelligence can help you in doing that routing planning, how that your transport will move from one location to another location. It could be your warehouse, it may be your distributor, or it could be your delivery to the customers or something like that. And then that will streamline the warehouse operations and all. And then that logistic operations can be improved, which will also have a substantial cost savings also. It will reduce your operational expenses and minimize the unnecessary costs actually. And finally, that will also lead the lead times. That from the marketing order after the production to warehouse to the delivery, this lead time also, if it can reduce the faster processing and delivery, shorter time for order to delivery, that will give you a better customer satisfaction, customer safety also, safety of your product, that they are intact, delivered to the patients and all that. And then that on-time deliveries will improve, which will increase the reliability of the delivery schedules and all that. So we are really looking at complete collaborative supply chain. These are the factors which I just listed it over here. It's a AI-driven factor is can be developed for the collaboration, which facilitates the collaboration among the pharma companies, suppliers, logistic providers, and helps you to share the data across the complete all stakeholders, and a seamless sharing will be there, which will improve the transparency and efficiency, which enhances the risk management, and that will join the efforts to address the challenges, which are new coming up into the supply chains and all. Another benefit over here is pharma regulatory requirements are increasing, they are changing. So your drug serialization and authentication is really required. So artificial intelligence can really help you and support you to detect if there are any anomalies into the supply chain, any spurious goods getting into the systems or any data going out of the systems, so the safety, security, and those things. So, in case if there are any counterfeit products are coming up into the system, it will identify, it will discuss, reject all those. That is what is the most important, I think. And now personalized medicines are also concept is coming up, which also will get supported. So AI can optimize the drug formulation and production for a specific geography, for a specific hospital, for a specific individual customers and all that, based on to the patient specific data. Quality regulatory compliances, pharmacovigilance, demand-driven manufacturing, continuous improvement, adoption of robotics and automation. These are again the various factors where AI can really contribute it into the future of the pharma. Implementation considerations of the investment into talent development is required, and organizations should focus on nurturing those artificial intelligence experts who will really help to do the digital transformation from analog systems, silos based systems to the digital systems and all that. So which will enhance the data interfaces, infrastructure. New infrastructure is required, which is a cloud-based system like that. And robust data systems are essential for AI implementation. You have to develop partnerships with a technology provider. Like there are cloud providers are there artificial intelligence models providers are there. There are various technology providers who can drive this innovation and efficiencies around. Regulatory compliance needs to be supported as that is essential and that is a must part of it for the pharma industry. And finally, the data security, because protecting the data is very important and this needs to be given as a top priority. Hope in a short time I try to give you a brief overview what will be the future about the pharma industry and how artificial intelligence can really contribute it in complete digital supply chain management. If you have any doubts, queries, feel free to contact us. We also have a YouTube channel where almost 300 videos are there. There are many more videos again related to this particular topics and subjects, discussing more details and all. Do refer to them. Please subscribe that channel also, where you will have more details. Do share this with your network also so that they are also aware about all those things. And in case if you have any more suggestions or any topics, do write to us. Thank you. Bye.